Today, I will show you a quick and easy method to color grade and improve your images to look 10 times better using Photoshop. Okay, so we have this image here and you realize it looks kind of pale, it doesn't look very vibrant. So to fix that, first create a duplicate by clicking Ctrl J to give us creative freedom. Now right click on the copy and convert it to a smart object. Next, come up to filter and come down to camera raw filter. Now in camera raw filter, scroll down to color mixer. If color mixer is covered, just click on this icon to open your color mixer. And here we are going to improve the colors in the image. So here I can see red. So let's increase the figure on the red and you realize the red begins to show very well. Let's keep it at 100, and also I can see a little bit of orange, so let's increase the orange. But first let's increase the yellow to see what that also does. So the yellow also add a nice vibrance to 100%. There's also green in there, so let's increase the green as well. 100 for the green as well. And also this part has blue in there, kind of blue or purple, so let's increase the blue a little bit. Yeah, 100 for the blue is also good. It also affected the background and made the sky look even better. Let's increase the magenta as well. That also makes the flower in the background look very good. So we are going to keep it at 70 or 69. And then let's increase the purple. The purple also makes something nice out of the image. Yeah, the aqua also is very good. So 90, very good. Yeah, the orange at 100 is also very good. Now when you are satisfied with what you've done and your image looks vibrant enough, you can just click OK. Nice. Now this is before and this is after. But if your image still doesn't look vibrant enough for you, you can just come down to your new adjustment layer icon and click on it and then select vibrance. You can just clip it to your image by clicking on this icon, and then now you can increase the vibrance to whatever figure you want if you weren't satisfied with what camera raw filter gave you. So I'm going to keep the vibrance at 20 and I'm going to increase the saturation to just 5. Click enter. And there you have it. You realize the image looks very vibrant and the colors are showing beautifully. So this is before and this is after. Before and after. You can see the image has been improved and it's 10 times better. Thanks for watching. If you learned something today, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tutorials from me. Never stop creating, and I'll see you in my next video.